Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TabLab here. Today I'm going to show you how to download audio and music for your YouTube videos for free. And these will have no copyright. You don't have to give any credit or anything like that. So what we want to do is come to Google, type in YouTube audio library. And it's going to be this one right here at the top. So it's going to give us a whole bunch of music and audio that we can use in our videos. So you can click the play button, see what these sound like. You can also click right here and filter. So you can search by title, genre, mood, an artist name if you know one. But there's also moods right here, like dark, happy, ambient. So you could click on one of those as well. So let's say you find one you like this one right here. You want to highlight over this icon right here and see what their audio license says. So this says you are free to use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. No attribution is required. So you can just use this freely any way you want, monetize your videos. You don't have to give any credit to any artist in the description or anything like that. So then just go ahead, click download, and there's the file right there. So yeah, that's it. Just drag that to your desktop, use it however you want. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.